Good morning students. Today we will discuss about detoxification of the body. Whatever we eat throughout our day create dirt in our body that is called toxins, and our kidneys and liver remove these toxins, that is called detoxification of the body. Whenever these organs do not get oxygen properly, they do not work properly, and dirt accumulates which causes tiredness, laziness, skin allergies, and stomach is bloated. So today we will practice two twisting asanas which help in detoxification of the body. So first is Ardha Matsyendrasana and second is Bharadwajasana. So sit on the mat in Dandasana. Bring your left foot near to your right thigh, right hip, and put your right foot near to your left knee. Take your right arm back. Inhale, keep your spine straight, left hand raise up and push your right knee with your elbow. Now inhale, and while exhaling, twist back and look over to your shoulder. If you have neck pain, then you can keep your neck straight like this. Otherwise, look back. This asana is very good for your back pain also. Stay in this asana as much as you can easily. 2 breath, 4 breath, 6 breath, as much as you can. Now come back. First neck, then hands, and then legs. Before doing these asanas, you can warm up with Surya Namaskar. You can do the 2 sets, 3 sets, 4 sets as per your capability. जब आप 2 बार सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं तो पहले राइट लेग के साथ फिर लेफ्ट लेग के साथ उसका एक सेट होता है. इस तरह से आप 2 सेट, 3 सेट, जितना आपको इजी लगे उतने आप कर सकते हैं. नाउ सेकंड इज भारद्वाजासन. इन दिस आसन bend your right leg in Vajrasana. Put your left foot on your right thigh. Now take your left arm back. Inhale, keep your spine straight and put your right palm on your left knee and look back. जब भी आप ट्विस्ट करेंगे तो आपको एक्सेल करना है, अदरवाइज आपको नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग रखनी है. लुक बैक. And for more stretching, you can hold your big toe with your left arm like this. If you are stretching, if you are not able to hold your big toe, then you can use yoga belt or any type of dupatta like this. आप यहाँ से इसे होल्ड कर सकते हैं और इसे स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं. ये आपको ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच देगा. Like this. And stay in this asana as much as you can easily. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale करेंगे और after that while exhaling twist back. First neck, then your hands, and then your legs. And repeat with the same with another leg. Now do the try to do the yoga practice in the garden or in the park. If you are doing at your home, then make sure ventilation should be there so that you can take more and more oxygen, because oxygen बहुत बड़ा कारक होता है toxins को बाहर निकालने का. And second thing is avoid junk food and packet foods and chemical foods, and take organic food, fiber food, fruits and juice, and do the practice of these asanas regularly. Goodbye.